I know, like me, there's lots of people out there with tiny little pencil ends left in their tins. If you want to continue using your pencil when it gets too small to hold, what you need are some pencil extenders. There's two sizes in our pack. Firstly, for your normal hexagonal pencils, which are 7mm, they fit in the black extender. To insert the pencil, it's dead easy. All we do is undo the grip at the end, slide the pencil in, and then tighten the grip again. Make sure that's nice and tight. Don't want that coming out or twisting round. Now I've got a nice long pencil to use. Same thing exactly with the larger pencils. The 8mm extender, which works really well with our Coloursoft pencils like Graphitint and Tinted Charcoal. You just unscrew the grip at the end, slide your pencil in, and tighten the grip. You've noticed there I've just used a long pencil. It's slightly larger than holding a pencil, so if you have trouble getting your fingers around a small pencil, then that can help as well. And also, if you want to give yourself quite a bit of extra freedom, you could, if you wanted, make a really, really long pencil, and you've got a great big free movement. I know that's not for everyone, but it's an option.